Hey friends, let's do When You're in Love with a Beautiful Woman guitar lesson by Dr. Hook. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easier to follow along. And we've got a capo on the first fret with this one, and I'll show you all the little fills on the second guitar as well. So we play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the C. We're going to play it for 2 bars. Let's go through the strumming pattern first. It's a down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. And that's 1 bar, and we do the C for 2 bars. So slowly. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Then just go to G for 2 bars and do it exactly the same. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, and do that through 2 times, and that's your intro. Then we have the chorus. Let me play that for you. So for our chorus, we just do the C for 2 bars, G for 2 bars, C for 2 bars, G for 2 bars, exactly the same as the intro. Then we go to the E minor and we do that for 2 bars, the same again. C for half a bar, so we're going to do down, down, up, down, down, up. C over B for half a bar, same, down, down, up, down, down, up. A minor, this time we're going to do down, down, up, down, and end on the D. And just hold that for half a bar, and then repeat that all again, and then the next time through finish on the D, and then just go back to the C for 2 bar, G for 2 bars there, and that's our chorus. Then we have our bridge. Let me play that for you. So this time we're starting on an F, and we do that for a bar, C for a bar, G for a bar, C for half a bar, D for half a bar, back to C for a bar, G for half a bar, E minor, just strum once and hold for a bar, 2, 3, 4, A minor, strum once and hold for half a bar, 1, 2, then go back to C, strum once, hold for 2 bars, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D, we're going to hold for 2 bars, strum once, 2, 3, 4, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's our bridge there. From there we just go back to the chorus, C for 2 bars, G for 2 bars, C for 2 bars, G for 2 bars, E minor for 2 bars again, C for half a bar, C over B half a bar, A minor half a bar, and then the D, and do the strumming pattern exactly the same as before. And then to finish off the first guitar, just do the C for 2 bars, G for 2 bars, through to the end. Now let's have a look at the second guitar. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons each week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps out. So let's get back into it. Now we'll do these parts without the capo because it just makes it a little bit easier to go through the tab with you. So let me play the intro for you. So we're just starting on the 6th fret on the D and the G, slide up 2 frets to the 8, and then play 6 D5 on the G. And then to finish that first bit off, play 6 D and G and 6 D5 G. And the next little fill on the intro is 4, slide up to 6 on the B, 6 on the E, and 4 on the B and the E. And then slide from 4 on the B and the E up to 6, and then just play 4 on the and then the intro fills there. Then we have the chorus fills. So the first time through the chorus, we're just playing the B and E on the 4th fret, slide up to the 6th, and play 4. Do that again. Then we have a pause, and then we just repeat that 2 more times again. And that's why our C and G is playing there. And then when we hit the E minor, we're going to do 8 on the D, slide up to 10, and then 10 on the G. So, and then we have our little rundown on the A string, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, and then 1 on the D. So, and that's the first chorus through. Then when he plays it through again, let's have a look at those parts. So this time we're doing 9 on the B, 11 on the E, slide up 2 frets, and come back and do that 2 times. Then go back to our 4, B and E, slide up 2 frets, back to the 4, B and E. Then you're going to do 3 on the G, 4 on the B, slide up 2 frets, and slide back to 3 and 4. And then we're on the A string, 6, slide up to 8, D, 8, 6. And then we finish the last part the same as we did, the 8 to the 10, and our little rundown, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1. And then the last time he plays through the C and the G, we have these little fills as well. Let me play that for you. So this time we just B, 4 slide up to 6, 6 E, and then 4 B and E. Then do a bend on 11 on the B string. Release the bend, pull off to 9, and then do 11, slide back to 9 on the B. And that's that last little chorus. Then we have the fills in the bridge. Let me do those for you. So the first fill. So just 8 on the D, slide up to 10, play 10 G, 10, slide back to 8 on the D, 8 on the G. Then the next little fill. So E, 6, slide up to 8, 6 A, and then D, 8, 6, back to 8 on the A there. Then we have the next fill. So 6, slide up to 8 on the A, 6 on the D, 8, slide up to 10 on the A, 8 on the D, 10 on the D, 11 on the A. So. And the next one we're just bending on the 5th fret on the G, do a bend and release. Then to finish it off, we're doing 11, slide up to 13, back to 11 on B and E, and then come to 10 on the G, 9 on the B, and slide up 2 frets. So, and then we have the last little fill. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing 6 on the A, slide up to 8, play 6 on the D, 8 on the D, slide up to 10, play 8 on the G, and then 8 on the G, slide up to 10, and 9 on the B. And they're all the little fills in the bridge there, and then we have the fills in the last chorus. So again, we're just doing the 4, B and E, up to 6, back to 4, and do it again. Then the next fill is going to be similar to one we did in the verse. So 4 on the E and the B, slide up to 6, and 3 and 4, 3 on the G, 4 on the B, slide up 2 frets and back, 6A, slide up to 8, and then D, 8, 6. Now this time when we hit the E minor, it changes a little bit. We're going to do 8, pull off to 5 on the G, and then 6, slide up to 8 on the A, and play 6 on the D. And then our little rundown the same, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1. And then we have a couple more other fills there. We just do our 9 and 11, slide up 2 frets on the B and the E. Our 4 and 4, slide up. Then do that another 2 more times. Go back to our 9 and 11, 2 times. And our 4 and 4, slide up 2 more times there. And that's all the little guitar fills there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed When You're in Love with a Beautiful Woman guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.